Sum number 5.24. A medical researcher estimates that 0.4 times 04 of the population has a rare blood disorder if the researcher randomly selects 1 lakh people from the population. First question, what is the probability that 7 or more will have the rare blood disorder? So firstly you will require to find out the value of the lambda, then and only then you can go for calculating the further question. And if you are asking about me like how can you know about that this question is for the Poisson distribution, here the event is the rare one, right? Rare blood disorder. So as I said you in the previous one, Poisson distribution always showing the rare events, so this is the problem for the Poisson distribution. So from these values you will require to find out the value of the lambda. So here n value is given, that is 1 lakh people, and probability are given, that is 0.0004, and lambda is the average, that is the mu. And you know, if you want to find the value of the mu, then if you are having the values of the n and p, then the formula will be n into p. So that is 0.4 times 04 into 1 lakh. So your answer will be 4.0. First question is, what is the probability that 7 or more people will have a rare blood disorder? So P of x greater than or equals to 7, lambda equals to 4. So here is your table, your lambda is 4.0, page number 789. You will require to value of the 7 or more. So you will club all the values from 0.0595, 0.0298, 0.0132 up to the last. So my answer will be 0.1106. Now question B. What is the probability that more than 10 people will have a rare blood disorder? So P of x greater than 10. Lambda is still 4. So values will be answer will be 0.0028. Question C. Suppose the researcher gets more than 10 people who have rare blood disorder in the sample of 1 lakh, but the sample was taken from the particular geographic region. What might the researcher conclude from the result? As you know, in the B option we had to find out the value for the more than 10. It was about 0.0028 probability. But in this question they are asking about you, it is not population but it is the sample from particular geographic region. And what might your conclusion? You can give the answer like that particular geographic region have a very less rare blood disorder. Sum number 5.25. Data firm records a large amount of the data. Historically, 0.9% of the pages of data recorded by the firm contains the error. If 150 pages of the data are randomly selected, what is the probability that 5 or more pages contains the error? Firstly, again you are required to find out the value of the lambda. Here again you will notify n and p, and then you will calculate the lambda value. Here we will do one small correction. Here 9%, 0.9% is given. Instead of that, here we will take it as a 0.18%. Why? Because if you are taking it as a 18%, then and only then your answers will be matched at the last of this book. So your lambda will be n into p. N is 150, p will be 0.0018. So lambda will be 0.018. So total lambda will be 2.7. First question, what is the probability that 5 or more pages, x greater than or equals to 5, lambda is 2.7. So we will again check it out from the table. So here is your table 2.7, page number 788, 5 or more. So values will be 0.0804, 0.0362 up to the last. So your answer will be 0.1367. Now second question, what is the probability that more than 10 pages contains the error? So your second question will be P of x greater than 10, lambda will be again same 2.7 itself. So again you will check it out from the table from the value P11, P12 up to whatever values given in the table. So it is on the page number 788, more than 10, so it is just 0.0001, almost 0. What is the probability that none of the pages contains the error? P of x equals to 0, lambda equals to 2.7. P of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. So P of 0 equals to 2.7 raised to 0 into e raised to 2.7 upon 0 factorial. So it will be 1. 0 factorial is also 1. Check the value of e raised to 2.7. So here is your table on the page number 793. E value 2.7, value is 0.0672. What is the probability that fewer than 6 pages contains the error? Less than 6. P of x less than 6. Table page number 788. Less than 6 means 0 to 5. All the values will be clubbed over here. I have mentioned all the values over here from the table. So my total answer will be 0.9434. Sum number 5.26. A high percentage of the people who fracture or dislocate a bone see a doctor for that condition. Suppose the percentage is 99%. Consider the sample of 300 people that are randomly selected who are fractured or dislocated bone. What is the probability that exactly 5 of them did not see a doctor? So here again you will require to find out the lambda. Sum number 5.26. Here we have to assume two things, P and Q. Here P will be don't see the doctor. As you know, P means probability of getting success, and here they are asking about the questions for they are not seeing the doctor, means they are not meeting the doctor, and if they are seeing the doctor then it is your Q. So P will be 0.01, and if they are going to the doctor then probability will be 0.99, and N is 300 people. You are sampled, taken the sample of the 300 people, probability is 0.01, so your lambda will be N into P, and that will be 3. Question A, what is the probability of exactly 5 of them not seeing the doctor? So x equals to 5, lambda is 3. P of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. Your lambda is 3 raised to 0, because not 0 but 5, because here exactly 5 people they are asking. So 3 raised to 5 into e raised to minus 3 upon 5 factorial. So here I have mentioned the value of the e value from the table, and 3 raised to 5 and 5 factorial will be 120. So your final answer will be 0.1008. Now question B, what is the probability that fewer than 4 or of them did not see a doctor? Right, means P of x less than 4, means you have to club the value of 0, 1, 2 and 3 from the table. So here is your table on the page number 788. Your lambda is 3, so 0, 1, 2 and 3. You will club all 4 values over here. So your answer will be 0.6472. And last question, what is the expected number of the people who would not see the doctor? Expected number of the people means they are asking about the mu, and you know mu means your lambda, and here your lambda is 3. So just your answer will be 3.